Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer PayPal to GCash. First, open your GCash app and tap on Cash In. Scroll down to find the Global Partners and Remittance section, then choose PayPal. You will be prompted to log into your PayPal account to link it securely, ensuring both platforms are connected for a smooth transaction. This initial connection is crucial for all subsequent transfers. Once your accounts are linked, log into your PayPal account through a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. Then, select your linked GCash account from the list of available bank accounts or wallets. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, making sure it is within your available PayPal balance. Before confirming your transfer, meticulously review all the details presented on the screen. Double-check the exact amount you are sending and ensure GCash is selected as the correct recipient. Be aware that a small fee, often around 1% of the transfer amount, is typically charged by PayPal for this service. The minimum transfer is 500 pesos. After confirming your transfer, the funds typically arrive in your GCash account within 24 hours. However, in some instances, it might take up to 2 business days, especially if you initiate the transfer during weekends or public holidays. You can always check the status of your transaction within your PayPal activity log and your GCash transaction history.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.